look so vibrant. Like, I guess the more that I sweat from work, like in this lighting, I look fabulous. I don't even know how. This is gonna be a go home with me lab tech edition. I'm sorry, I just cannot get enough of, like, I literally was sweating leaving the hospital. This is when you know you're blessed. When your sweat complements your features. So here we are. Sweat, crusty, hair a little frizzy, tired. But this is a great angle. So, I have showered and I'm clean. Yes, I wore these earrings in the shower because I had to jump in and I had to jump right out. And they're fake gold anyway, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, right now I'm gonna just put some lotion on my face. I am extremely tired and I feel, I'm just feeling very uneasy today. And it's mainly because, like, I was feeling okay this morning. Like, in my mind, I mentally prepared myself to film today. But, like, right before I left my department in the lab, I already stayed, like, a good 10 minutes, like, later than I was supposed to stay. And I don't get any overtime. So, I was like, why am I even here? So I left, and I was, but I don't want to talk about work right now. Well, I will talk about work, but I won't talk about work. I'll talk about my career, which is different. But, yeah, so basically, you know, if my energy is a little off, it's because I'm just very discombobulated, but it's still going to be a great video. Because this is just the reality of, like, coming home from working at the hospital. Like, sometimes you feel frantic. You don't have your mental, like nothing's together. You don't have anything together. You literally just want to come home, get a drink, and lay down. That's literally it. That's literally it. That's all I want to do. But I'm pushing myself right now to film. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna treat myself. I got paid today, direct deposit. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna order some Uber Eats. Not Uber Eats. Well, I'm gonna order some food. That I have to sit down, pay my bills. I got a budget for groceries. So we're just gonna sit down. We're gonna do some planning, some journaling. And I'm also gonna get something to eat and pay some bills and also, you know, buy some groceries online because I seriously do not feel like going grocery shopping. I want the groceries brought to me. So here's what I made for dinner. I got some nice veggies in this pan that I'm mixing up. And this is my favorite type of kale. It's called dino kale. And this is my wonderful piece of salmon. A good hack for packing a salad without having it go soggy is just putting your tomatoes and dressing in the same container so that way your salad stays dry. And here's everything that I put in my lunchbox. I just find a way to fit it all in there. I make sure that I pack a little bit extra food because whenever I get to have a break, I really take advantage of those little 30 minutes.